This is Dario Tronopet, and this is his Audi S2 dread car. It is powered by a single-turbo 3-liter engine. It's fitted with Borg-Warner turbo, forged engine components, nitrous and ethanol system, roll cage chassis, and even a parachute. Its stats are crazy. Top speed 300 km per hour, 0 to 100 in less than 2 seconds, and it takes 7.7 seconds to reach the finish line. This Audi is considered as one of the fastest dread cars in whole Europe. It's even faster than Rimac Nevera. Subscribe and follow for more content.